Hi guys, this is a remedy for anyone that's got a Hughes Kettner switchblade, well it's the 50 or the 100, and you've got the stage pedal, Midi pedal board controller. That's the big long pedal that goes A, B, C, D with an up and down channel change on the pedal. As you know, that one of the flaws with the Hughes Kettner early issues, the cable coming out of this pedal is hardwired in, so as you unravel the cable and wrap it round, the cores in the cable do tend to break internally and start to open circuit, hence giving you some annoying problems of you're in the middle of a set, you're changing channels and nothing happens. So simple mod, don't get too frustrated, don't buy a new one with the socket on, just simply remove the bottom cover. As you can see there, you can see the 4 holes there. There's actually eight holes, screws that fasten that bottom panel off. You can see the side flange. This is where you're going to get a bit of masking tape, mark out a hole. Roughly this, if you take the nut off the 7-pin DIN socket that you're going to fit, you can draw a pencil circle inside of the nut, and that'll give you roughly the size of hole that you need to drill. So if you've not got a drill big enough, just drill it with the biggest drill you've got, and then you can file it open, which is why you can see a slightly irregular hole that I've done there. But nevertheless, once it's all fitted, it looks superb. So once you've done that, you then cut the cable, leave yourself a good bit of slack, strip the cable back and split out all the individual cores. There's only a few of the cores that's used, and they are all coloured, so you've got blue, red, yellow, clear, and your ground. Strip these back and then strip the ends, give yourself about 3mm of wire core so that you can pre-tin these with preferably a heat controlled soldering iron. One of these pencil types of soldering irons would be quite useful and will do the job. Just above in the screen you can see there's the 7-pin DIN socket that I've purchased. Costs a couple of quid off eBay. All the details for buying the new cable, which is pre-made, and the DIN socket I can give you on an email. Just leave some comments with an email address and I'll ping some info back to you. So once you've done that, then fit the DIN socket to the flange, as you can see there, and you're ready to wire up the cable. So obviously I've wired the cable up. Again, I've got a schematic which tells you which coloured wire goes to which pin, and once you've done that, then you can screw the base panel back on and plug the new Midi cable into the end. And just to show you what it looks like, there it is. Top-notch professional job. All of this takes about half an hour, so if you can lose half an hour of your drinking time or social time, this can save you a small fortune and give you something ultra reliable. The cable I've bought off eBay, you can pre-order it to any length. I've ordered mine at 5 meters, not quite anywhere near as long as what's originally supplied with the pedal, but 5 meters is a good length to have. You can have it longer if you need, or you could have a couple, which is what I've done, one at 5 meters, one at 3 meters. So if you don't want loads of trailing cables across the stage and people tripping up, then you can choose to do one or the other. As I say, this pedal will now control the Hughes Kettner switchblade, and it will also control a Marshall JVM 410, whether it's head or combo. If you read up on the manual in the Marshall handbook, it gives you clear instructions on how to do it, but it's pretty much plug in, and the process is very much the same as within a switchblade settings, where you select your channel and then press the save button. Again, giving you loads of options, more than what the foot controller that the JVM gives you. So hope this is useful. Any comments or any information that you might feel was missing that you'd like to know, please don't hesitate, leave a comment and I'll post you something back. Thanks for your time everyone. Happy gigging.